Hey, I'm Melanie Trailer, and today is the release day for the Honeypie quilt pattern. So this is a brand new quilt pattern by me, and it makes two different style quilts. Let me show you. Here is a look at the different styles: single star, multi-star, and then each style has two different sizes. So this one is 60 inches, this one is 86 inches, this one is 64 inches, and this one is 90 inches. This uses yardage. Single star uses yardage, multi-star uses fat quarters. Honeypie is a confident beginner quilt pattern. All it is strip piecing and straight line sewing. So nothing really pesky. The only reason I've made it confident beginner is because it is a strip piecing pattern. I mean, the whole thing is put together with strip piecing. And also, you really gotta watch those diagrams and make sure everything's turned the right way. So just a little couple of things to look out for. But other than that, it's a very approachable pattern. There are diagrams and steps to walk you through this whole pattern. And I've also got a couple of block demo tutorials on my website now, or one of them is coming next week, but those are available too if you need a little additional help. Let's talk about strip piecing. So if you haven't strip pieced before, there is a demo included for how to do that. Strip piecing is when you sew strips together and you cut that strip up into pieces, and that is how you make this Nordic looking star. So when I was designing this pattern, I had Nordic stars on the brain, so I was kind of going for that look, but I had just the single star quilt on my mind. But when I got to playing with it, it became multi-stars as well. So that's why there are two styles within this pattern. It's kind of like getting two patterns in one. That's another thing. I've broken this pattern into 3 different sections. One section for each of the single star quilts because they use different size pieces. And then the multi-star has its own section, and the stars, big, huge, and little stars, although they're not that little, they're 26.5 inches, they all come together the same way. So if you can complete one of these quilts, you can complete all of these quilts. I will be linking to all of those demos right below this video. The pattern also has a lot of my extras, and I've kind of got a new look to one extra. So you may be used to my scrappy background ideas page, but we've kind of simplified the instructions. We've kind of simplified the instructions so it looks a little bit different. I think it's going to be a little bit easier to grasp if you have never done scrappy backing before, but that's there if you need it. The pattern is available in paper booklet or PDF download. They're both right now available at meanderandmake.com. Again, links to that are right below this video. We also have kits. Right now, at the time of recording this video, I have a kit for both styles in every size. So if you need a little additional help with your fabric choices, there's a link for that too. All right, so let's talk about time. The single star quilt is very fast. We're talking weekend quilt, even the giant one. I think it's 86 inches. Even that giant size is weekend doable. The multi-stars is not as fast, but it's not a very, very complicated. Anytime you've got just straight line sewing, things really just speed up for you. All right, links to everything I've talked about with you are right below this video. The demos, the kits, the pattern, all of that stuff. There's a link for it below. Be sure to pick up Honeypie this weekend as it's on sale, including all of my other patterns, all quilt patterns, books, journals, all of it's on sale right now at Meander and Make. No coupon code needed. All right, thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time.